Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Widgetable app on your device. Now if you want to install the Widgetable app on your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already connected your device to internet or any kind of mobile data. So if you have not done any of that, you just need to scroll it from the very top right hand side on your iPhone, and if you are using Android, you just need to scroll it from the very top. And after that you just need to open the App Store on your iPhone, and if you are using Android, you just need to open Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and from here click on the option of search box and search Widgetable, and after that click on the option of search highlighted on blue at the very bottom right. So from here you just need to click on the option which says Widgetable besties and couples. So click on the option of get highlighted on blue, and if you are installing it on iPhone, then it asks you to verify by double pressing on the power button, or it may also give you a pop-up like install. So click on the option of install, and that's it. That's how you can install the Widgetable app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.